The Athena Mobile status button is located on the far left of the Athena Mobile toolbar. As the user changes their status or receives a call, the status button will update. In this example, we're going to change the user status to special assignment, and you will notice the status button updates. In this example, the user received a call for an assault. You'll notice the call for service number, call type, the time that they've been on the call, and if any calls are stacked on them. As the user clears their call, the status button will be updated to their default activity. For this user, it is patrol. The user can update their status by simply selecting on the status button. The change status form will populate.